How to fix in case your iPhone 16e doesn't have any sound that comes out of the speakers. This can happen for many different reasons, so I will offer you many different tips. So for the tip number one is to simply to do a reboot. Nothing will be deleted, it simply means shutting down the phone and power it back on. You can drag down from the top right corner, click half of a second on this power button, and then slide to power off. Wait 2-3 seconds and the iPhone will be shut down. I suggest you wait 10 seconds with the iPhone and a black screen like the way it has, and now power back on the phone by pressing the power button until the Apple logo comes. This can fix so many issues, Wi-Fi issues, sound issues, mic issues. So in the future, if you're experiencing any problems with your iPhone, doing this first will solve 90% of them, believe me. All right, let's say you're still having the problem. You power on the phone and still there's no sound coming out. This could also happen because a Bluetooth device is connecting to your phone so that the audio is being sent to the other device. What I suggest is to go into the settings. So once you find the settings icon, keep it pressed, select Bluetooth, and from here, turn off Bluetooth. And now open the app, YouTube, whatever you're trying to use, and see if the sound is actually coming out of the speakers. Obviously, make sure that the volume is turned on. If still nothing is happening with the Bluetooth turned off, well, at least we know that it's not another device that is causing this issue. Since we're over here, I suggest you do the contrary. Hear me out. So if you turn on Bluetooth and you connect a device like a boombox, like a Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speaker, connect it to the iPhone and start playing your music or whatever again you're trying to listen to. If the sound is coming out of the other device, it means that the problems are actually your speakers and maybe they need to be replaced or serviced. Over time, they can break like almost everything. But this is only if your headphones are getting sound, but not your speakers. Finally, before spending any money repairing your iPhone, you can always try a factory reset. By doing this, all your apps, all your pictures, everything will be deleted and the iPhone will be like a brand new one. So fortunately, after doing this, you will indeed get some sound of the speakers. Go into the settings, find General, go all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, select Erase all content and settings. You'll have to press Continue. They will ask you to input the passcode of your iPhone. Then they will ask you to input the passcode of your Apple account, and the factory reset will begin. Again, I really hope that after doing this, the sound will work as it's supposed to, and you won't have any issues. If you have any other tips regarding this sound problem, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links if you want to get a case or other accessories compatible with your iPhone 16e. Have a beautiful day.